Welcome in fourth practical of practical second. Here we will find how to draw the curve in 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions and level surfaces using MAXIMA software. Now the function we will use is plot 2D. This function we will use to find the plot in MAXIMA software. The syntax for this is, first you will write your expression, then the range of x, and there is option. For example, suppose I want to construct a plot of sin x. So along x-axis there is value of x variable, and I gave here range from -5 to 5, and corresponding value of y along the y-axis, and the plot for this command will be given by this one. So this is your graph of sin x between the range -5 to 5. Now you can change this graph by assigning the different values of x here. Suppose I have run this, first close this, okay, then plot of cos of x. Again you will write the function plot 2D. This is syntax. Here the expression is cos of x. You will write cos bracket start close x, comma, here you will write the x range and semicolon, shift enter. It will shows you the plot of your cos of x, and this plot is here. I gave you this program in the lab, but there is no output, so you can check your output here and compile this in your computer. Now you can write here the graph is of cos x, so you can naming this function. So how to write this one? Again you will assign a function f of x, and I assign here the function is x square. This is parabola, and vertex is at 0 0, and this is above the x-axis. So first you will write this function in the memory, first enter. The f of x is here x square. This is function declaration. I want to plot these functions by assigning the range -1 to 1. Shift enter, and it will shows you this parabola. There is nothing on this side, so you can change this presentation by assigning these values here. Plot 2D, this is my function x square. Here I am taking -3 to 3. No box, grid 2D. Here you will obtain the cross lines, and y x ratios is 1. I divided the x-axis and y-axis. I want to write here the tick on -2, 4 and 2, and y tick as 2, 2 and 6. You can change it also, but remember they're counting this and this will be same. X label, this is -3 to 3, so it will shows 2.9 to 0.3 x square. And I also write the title here. So in square bracket you will write title, comma, this 2 double notations, and this parabola. This parabola will appear on your graph. A plot, shift enter. It is not showing because the previous plot is open, so first close this. Now this will appear on your screen. This is -2 to 2, and this parabola is written here. So in this way you can plot the 2D plot. Now I want to find some discrete plot also. For this I assign the value xx 10, 20, 30, 40 and 60, and y value I assign here 0.6, 0.9, 1.1 and so on. You can change these values. X, y, this is first interval here, square bracket, list, because this is list you have learned in first year. first sem practicals. So interval is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 points value. First value indicate your x and second value indicate your y. When I shift enter, so you will obtain this one. Now how to plot this? The command for this is plot 2D, simple bracket and discrete. You will write x-axis, that is x-axis label, y-axis, y-y label. So shift enter, this will appear on your screen. Here the line joining is this. Suppose you want that these points are indicated on your screen. So first close this. For this I will use this new words, that is some changes in the input command. This remains the same, plot 2D, discrete x and y. Again plot, simple bracket, and here is your list, that is square bracket. Remember this square bracket is necessary. If you not put it here, it will shows you some error like this, so it will not compile. So first you will write this square bracket here, this way, and comma, then next square bracket. You want here just point, not the line, so you will write style. Which style I want here, that is points should be there, so you will write this syntax here. So your screen plot will be appear like this. So okay, in classroom I gave you the written statement, but I did not provide you the output. The output is this one. You can save this and take the printout. No need of this graph. Now we are going to plot 3D plot. For this I am taking the functions 2 की power minus u square plus v square, and value of u is minus 3 to 3 and second variable is minus 2 to 2. You just learned this syntax here, plot 3D and expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, x, y and range and options. This is the syntax to plot the 3D plot. So the output for this function will be, you can check which function you are plotting. Exponential. First you will enter this, Control C. Here you will write this function and semicolon, shift enter. This is function of 2v square minus u square. So the graph for this will be, plot this will be this one. This is my 3D plot. Okay. So first close this. Now you can enter any trigonometric functions. Just I wrote here this function. First I will show which functions parametric form I am writing here. You can eliminate this also, because we will practice more plots in the next lecture. Here you will plot only the simple and write down in your practical book. So here no need of this one also, so you can quit just by taking only, you will write only the first, only one example there. Remaining we will practice in the lab. So only the plot of this graph, this is the plot. Okay, so it is sufficient. You can practice more functions from your book. And last is quit command. So in this way you can plot 2D and 3D in Maxima software. Thank you so much for watching.